Today I'm here to introduce the latest recording and streaming system for training sessions created by Reach Tech, the Bee8. As we all know, training resources are vital and valuable to any organization. If the recording, saving, and sharing processes of training resources are simplified and made easier, an organization can benefit greatly from this improvement. The Bee8 is designed to record and webcast all videos and PC content in a more professional and simpler manner. As the perfect integration of videos and content, the Bee8 enables the sharing of training video resources in a friendly and convenient way. So how does the Bee8 work? The Bee8 allows you to start recording in any way you're comfortable with. You can use its front panel buttons, a PC, a central control system, or even your own iPad. All you have to do is press the record button on the front panel or open the Reach app program on your iPad when the training lecture begins. Then you can leave the rest up to the Bee8. After the training session is over, simply press the stop button and enjoy the training video. Yeah, it's really that easy. How do you access a recorded video? There are two options for this. The recorded video is automatically uploaded to a specific server for webcasting. Or you can immediately make a copy of the recorded video by inserting your USB disk into the USB port on the front panel of the Bee8. Above all, to avoid any loss of recording material that might be caused by maloperation, the Bee8 is configured with a built-in storage disk, which means you don't need to worry about data loss ever again, because there's always a backup for any recorded video file within this built-in disk. Additionally, the Bee8 provides a local playback function. This allows you to connect a local display to the Bee8 and play any recorded video on demand. With the Bee8, video files are also recorded in the standard MP4 format, so you can play them with any popular PC software or mobile terminal. Now, let's take a look at the Bee8's front panel. The front panel provides the major functions: record, playback, and download. You can also view the status here. LED lights clearly indicate the status of the video and audio. The record, pause, and stop buttons enable you to control the recording process. The knob and play and stop buttons enable you to locally select and play a recorded file. The knob and down button enable you to select and copy a recorded file into your USB disk. Finally, let's take a look at the interface of the Bee8. The first two DVI interfaces collect 2-channel video signals respectively and support various signal sources in the SD, HDMI, DVI, or YPB-PR format. The third DVI interface collects contents from a PC. The VGA output interface is used to make local playback of the recorded videos. Serial ports RS-232 and RS-485 control the PTZ camera remotely. Audio input interfaces such as a line input, unbalanced microphone, and balanced microphone are available to collect audio signals. Audio output interfaces are used to connect a local playback device. This is the Bee8, the best training assistant out there.